Welcome to the wacky world of artificial intelligence, where machines and algorithms do incredible things without even having a face. Today, we are going to explore the amazing world of AI in a fun and exciting way. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is artificial intelligence, you ask? Well, it's like giving a computer a brain. AI allows machines to think, learn, and make decisions just like humans, but without the squishy stuff inside our heads. Now let's explore some cool applications of AI in our daily lives. Have you ever used a virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistants? These digital helpers use AI to understand and respond to our questions. They can play our favorite music, tell us jokes, and even order a pizza. AI also plays a huge role in personalized recommendations. When you are scrolling through your favorite streaming platform and it suggests shows or movies you might like, that's AI working behind the scenes, analyzing your preferences and giving you tailored suggestions. AI is also driving innovation in self driving cars. These intelligent vehicles use sensors and AI algorithms to navigate the roads and avoid accidents. AI can even help us stay fit and healthy. Yes, fitness trackers uses AI to monitor our activity levels, heart rate and sleep patterns. They cheer us on like our own personal fitness coach. It also makes a big impact in the fields like medicine and transportation. For example, AI algorithms can help doctors analyze medical images and detect diseases earlier. The biggest question here is AI kill jobs for humans? The effect of AI on the job market depends on various factors such as job automation, job creation, job transformation, and etc. AI has the potential to automate certain tasks traditionally performed by humans. It also has the capacity to create new job opportunities and enhance productivity. That's all for today, guys. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of AI. See you soon.